So you're wanting to become a wedding videographer, because why else would you have clicked on this video? If you are currently a wedding videographer and you're trying to copy my shit, just leave me alone, all right? Stop copying me. My name's Joel Blackman, I'm 25 years old and I'm a professional cinematic wedding videographer. That was a technical term, wasn't it? Basically, I'm a wedding videographer and I use this to film my weddings. I've been filming weddings for just over 5 years and I absolutely love it. I love capturing somebody's special day and creating memories for them and just seeing their reaction. I absolutely love it. But I also, I'm not gonna lie, I love the money that comes with it too. I mean, who wouldn't? £2,000 a day for filming a wedding. Who wouldn't love it? But it's not that easy. I wish it was. You have to film on your feet, no really sitting down for 8 to 12 hours. You have to come home and edit all the footage. You have to find the song, the sound effects, how they want it edited, what sort of song they want. And if they give you a shit song, you still have to edit to it. So then you're not motivated to edit the wedding video. There's loads of things that come into filming weddings. It's not just £2,000. Film. If it was that easy, then I think everybody would do it, but I genuinely do it. I think it's a nice 50-50 split because I like doing it and I get paid well for what I do because I genuinely, I think so anyway, I am very fucking good at filming wedding videos. What I focus on more than anything is just the quality and creating a cinematic Netflix trailer vibe. I'll play like 20 seconds so you can have an understanding of how I edit my wedding videos. So as you can see, there's sound effects of the rain, there's sound effects in the back end of the music, there's a nice soundtrack playing in the background, there's just everything going on that feels like you're watching your day back in real time and you just get those butterflies again. As a client, you get those butterflies again, and that's what I try to offer to every single one of my clients. So I charge anywhere currently between £2,500 and £3,000 for a wedding package, which is my top package, which includes 2 wedding videos, a short version and a long version. All the editing is included, my traveling is included. Hopefully when I book a wedding, I always check because the last thing you want to do is book a wedding, get all excited, and then when it comes to it, you've got to travel to fucking Narnia and back and stay in a hotel and travel all the way back. So make sure it's just local and you're happy traveling that distance. And then what I also offer is a hard drive with all the raw footage, and on the day, obviously, drone shots are included. I never always used to charge £3,000 a video. I used to charge 250, and I used to actually do 5 of them for free. When I first started, my first 5 wedding videos, yeah, okay, they weren't all that, but I was just starting out and I did 5 for free to get my foot in the door, to have a portfolio, to then go on and start advertising my weddings so I can actually build up to where I am now, charging £2,000 to £3,000. And I see so many wedding videos just like filmed and cut. It's just so boring to like a Whitney Houston "I'll Always Love You" song. And if that was me and that was my client, I probably wouldn't have booked them in the first place, because in my initial stages of booking, I show them my current videos like a dramatic song that isn't really used on a wedding video, and I say, look, this is how I edit it, and they're like, I love it. It's so different, I love it, let me book you for £3,000. And obviously there are so many videographers out there charging £750 or £995 for their top package, and then there's me kind of in the middle, and then there's people like my friends who are charging £4,000 or £5,000 that have just way better equipment and they do it full time. Like, I just couldn't think of anything worse doing weddings full time, but that's just me. I just like it as a nice little side hustle during the summer. But it's hard because when you're somebody charging £3,000 for a wedding, and the person on the other end of the phone wanting to book with you go, well, I've just seen this person media and films and they're charging me £1,500. So what's the difference? The only thing you have to do in that situation is just hang up. Like that, just press it, hang up. No, in a serious situation, if your client on the other end of the phone where you're just about to book a wedding is saying, oh, like £3,000 is out of my budget is £1,000, for example, can you do it for £1,000? The thing I found out of doing over 100 weddings in my wedding career is if you turn up to a wedding that you've charged £1,000 for versus a wedding that you've charged £3,000 for, you will see firsthand the difference in what video you can create and end up giving to your client. For example, a budget video at £1,000, their venue probably is in a church and they've got a marquee and it's just there the whole night. But the £3,000 wedding, they've got fireworks and sparklers and a massive venue that looks stunning with really good drone shots, and they've probably got like a Ferris wheel and things for kids, and it's just so much better, which means your video is going to be so much better, and then your portfolio is going to be much better, and then that's how you actually end up charging £2,000, £3,000, £4,000, £5,000 because you've ended up filming amazing weddings. So if I was you, I would slowly build up your portfolio, try and do cheaper ones for better clients if you can. I know it's hard to try and find out and see how much people charge and stuff like that. It's a very competitive industry, but if you've got your mark and you have a certain style of editing videos and people love that, they will book you no matter how much money you are. Obviously, if you're £10,000, they're gonna be like, no way, but they will still book you if you're a reasonable amount of money. And the last thing I want to cover in this video is I've got so much knowledge on weddings. I have so much raw footage, so many sound effects, so many soundtracks, so many backing songs. I've got so many ways to edit different style of videos. I've also got an insight of how to actually target people who are engaged on Facebook, so you can end up reaching out to them or they reach out to you, and then you book your whole calendar throughout the summer. So if that's something you're interested in, drop a comment down below, as I really want to start teaching more about how to make money as a passive income filming weddings, because it's such an amazing money. To be honest, everything wedding is just money.